Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the iron and set it on a stable, heat-proof surface so you can work safely. Empty any old water from the tank because stagnant water can clog steam vents. Once done, choose distilled or filtered water. This reduces mineral buildup and prolongs the sole plate life. Make sure the iron is cool before opening the fill port. This protects seals and prevents burns. Keep a small funnel or measuring cup nearby to control flow and avoid spills. You now fill the tank. Open the fill port or lift the cap according to your model and position a funnel or measuring cup to avoid spilling. Pour slowly toward the indicated fill line so you can stop precisely. Overfilling prevents proper steam generation. While pouring, listen for sloshing to gauge level and keep the iron level so water reaches the sensor. Once filled, securely close the cap to prevent leaks during heating and wipe any drips from the sole plate and base. You finish by plugging in and setting the iron to the recommended heat for your fabric. This ensures water vaporizes effectively. Once the iron clicks to temperature, test steam onto an old towel to clear any trapped air and confirm consistent output. If steam is weak or absent, unplug and let cool, then descale as advised, check that vents are not clogged, and ensure the tank cap seals. If problems persist, consult the manual or manufacturer for specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.